This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into your Apple ID and make sure two-factor authentication is active. On Mac, open Mail. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, then Mail, then Accounts. Once done, verify iCloud Mail is enabled under iCloud in System Preferences or Settings. Your name iCloud. Now add an account. Choose iCloud from the account list. This simplifies setup and avoids manual server entries. Follow prompts for password entry and device verification to proceed to the next step. Once you select iCloud in the Add Account flow, enter your Apple ID and password and accept the iCloud terms. This securely links Mail to iCloud. Make sure the Mail toggle is turned on. Also enable contacts or calendars if you want them synced. If prompted for verification, retrieve the code from a trusted device or phone number and enter it. After verification, Mail will sync messages. Allow a few minutes for initial mailbox download, especially if you have large attachments or many folders. To finish, open Mail and confirm your iCloud mailbox appears and recent messages sync. Next, customize preferences. Set fetch intervals, mailbox behaviors for deleted messages, and your signature so outgoing mail looks correct. Make sure folders map correctly for sent and drafts. If Mail doesn't sync, sign out of iCloud, then sign back in, restart the device, and verify internet connectivity. Also check iCloud system status. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.